back to cooking until the coronavirus stops. I'm your host Willow, and this is my special guest star Derek. Today we will be making coleslaw. Let's get to it. Okay, so first we must cut up the cabbage and parsley and carrots. So we have a half of a white cabbage and half of a purple cabbage. Now I am going to grate 3 carrots. So now we are just going to put that aside and take a smaller sized bowl and make our dressing for our coleslaw vegetables. So we have apple cider vinegar, black pepper, celery seeds, Dijon mustard, salt, and we have some mayonnaise. We need 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now we are going to put in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now we need 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now we are going to put in 1 teaspoon of ground celery seed. So we need a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And now we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You are supposed to add little at a time, and you might have a little bit left over. It's just preference. Okay, we have just mixed all of our coleslaw up. It's nice and well coated.